Of course, when we look at this structure, the W structure we see here, the bullish price action, market have bought, and we came down, we broke this structure, and this is a retest to the breakout of this structure. This is a retest on this very breakout on this ascending trend line, on especially when you are respecting this W structure. This is the W structure here, and when we extended it to the left, we found out that it also anchored a supply roof, which on technical there was a demand, break of a demand, retest, break of a supply, retest, 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 retest again before break of structure. And price came here, retest, retest. These are all retests within the zone. So I think on technical, if price can eliminate this area, then they should come here. Now, what I'm looking out for is a potential retest to the breakout of that long-term descending trend line. We need a good resistance for market to breed and continue buying again. Yes, so that is all I'm looking for. So I'm trying to see if it's possible to catch it. Then if it's not possible, we'll leave it because the market is bullish. and the probability that every sell idea could be smashed is very, very high. Yes, the probability is very high that it could take away every sell idea. The probability is very, very high. It's very high. So all we are looking out for is to see if we can get a correction. Now we've had a very long impulse leg, about an impulse leg that opened at 2,900 and something. Now we are almost 1,000 pips into structure. Yes, and I told you that a break of 3,365 go long. So if you are holding long, you are 400 pip away from that instruction. So that is what it is. See, trading is, you don't need to be worried. Even if you say something, it doesn't happen, that is not your problem. Your problem is to follow the direction of the market. So if you are following and it's not aligning, you quickly come out. You quickly come out. And I think, let me see what 94 into 99 will do. But I think at whole number, there might be a reaction at that level. There might be a reaction. My whole aim is to see what price does when it gets to this 3 hours ascending trend line. That is all I want to see. I want to see what it will do. And also I want to see the reaction at 99 and 94. I want to see what price will do at that level. That's what I want to see. So that was a very nice analysis. A buy from 3,365 break of structure. And you have seen market rallied on that footnote. So the market is dynamic. So let's see what it does. I believe at 3,399, 3,394, I should get a sell reaction at that level. Yes, I'm looking out for a potential pullback into this structure. A potential pullback. Remember, the new structure of the market is from this breakout. So forget about now. We may begin to ignore 3,365 roof because market can come back here to retest the structure. Yes. So let us be aware of this retest. That price could come there. So if it comes there and respect it, then we'll continue to buy. It might just be just one candle, one healthy bullish candle. It's capable of doing that now. We can't get something like this. Yes, so I want to see reaction at this level. And also see, I don't know how it comes, but most likely it's looking like, so let's see what it does. Let's see what it does at that level. Let's see what it does at that level. Let's see what it does at that level. If market can push into 94 and extend it into 99, I believe it's going to drop from there. It's going to drop because I got a 2 hour signal here. I got 2 4 hour signal break of structure and it repeated here and formed a consolidated supply roof structure at this level before a breakout and the price slump back. If price returns here, it will anchor on the consolidations on the supply roof, and the two supply roof at this structure will provide the impetus for sellers to seek correction, or they might decide to continue until they get to this phase where they will look out for a sell opportunity. The market cannot move one way now. It's not possible for market to move one way. It's impulse correction. So as much as there is also a structure at this level, which I'm also aware of, so I will make it an imaginary structure. And let me see what it looks like on 4 hours. Okay, on 4 hours, I think it looks good on 4 hours. That roof has been broken. That structure is broken. This very structure has been broken. It's been broken. So I think any moment from now, we should be getting correction. This structure is broken. It used to be it used to be active as a supply roof, demand floor, supply roof, demand floor, supply roof, break a structure, price return, sell. And they come here, just respected it a few. And as the market open bullish above that structure. So there's nothing you can do. It's not our making. That means the market might continue to buy. That's what it means because there's already a break of structure and the new day candle opens above a stronger supply roof, indicating a further upward momentum in price. So it could technically continue to push higher, despite making close to about a 1,000 p push in price. That was very tremendous. We got our push at 91, and where are we now? Almost at 90 again. Only 1,000 people push. So let's see if it's possible that it will come back here. If it comes there, there is a double confluence, just like I said in my previous video. There's double confluence at that level. So that double confluence will provide more impetus for the buy. Yes. So if it comes there, that will be the neckline of this inverted head and shoulder. This is one shoulder. This is the head, and this is another shoulder. So that's what I see. That's what I see at the moment. I'm very optimistic on the price action at that level. That could just be what you need. The price action at that level is very strong. Oh. Family is very strong. If you extend it, think they're very strong, very well. So, so if price comes there, that will be on double confluence. So let's not mess our chart up. Let's not mess it up. And the market has already broken a key supply rule, which is 65, 3,365. It could come back, retest 3,365, even 68, or it could continue to push until it gets into 3,400 mark. A push into here is 3,417, which aligns with the previous high. There is also a probability that market might be targeting the high. Yes, that previous high market might be targeting it. So if it comes here, it comes here on double confluence. So we pray it comes here on double confluence so that we can see the reaction at that level. If it comes at double confluence, we will just want to see what it will do. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm hoping for. So good. So I think shortly after now, we're going to look at the dollar index and see what the index is doing. I know the market is going into my red box, and I'm only appealing to if you're not in the trade already, maybe you pray let it come back into 3,325. You might take a buy. You might take a buy, and you definitely see the market pull back. The daily candle will reject above 3,365 if it does that. So that's all we got. That's all we got at the moment.